Hi there, welcome to Code Development, and this is Balaji. I am so happy to continue the tutorial in Swift coding. This is lesson 3, strings and characters, and in this strings part 3. Just recalling the previous sessions. In part 1 and part 2 we have seen string literals in this single line string literals, multiline string literals, special characters in string literals, extended string delimiters, empty string, string mutability, strings are value type. I hope you are clear about these topics. If you did not watch the video or you want some more clarity on these topics, please watch the videos. Link in the description. In this video, we will cover below listed string basics. In the continuation of part 2, the fifth topic is string interpolation. It is a way to construct a new string from multiple existing strings and other data types like integer, float, double, bool, and etc. The sixth topic is access strings. We can access each character, which is the letter, in strings using the index. The seventh topic is modify strings. We can also modify the character in strings. We will see these all topics in very detailed manner, so don't skip the video until the end. Okay, let's start. The fifth topic is string interpolation. The string interpolation is used to load the value from one string to another. It is not only string, integer, float, double, bool, and etc. For that, we need to use slash, open and close bracket. Hope you remember this in string literals. For raw string, use slash, hash, open and close bracket. For normal string, use slash, open and close bracket itself. Let channel name equal to ABCD. Let description equal to slash, open and close bracket. Within this channel name is a YouTube channel for Code Development. See, here we are using the string interpolation. This will load the value of channel name property. Print the description. Click the run button. See, it has the channel name ABCD in the description string. The same as we can load other property values to string. Let's declare properties in integer, float, and double. Let integer total string equal to the integer total value is slash, open and close bracket. Within this integer value plus integer of float value plus integer of double value. Here we are doing the addition and loading the total value into the total string. That's why we are converting the float and double value to integer. Otherwise, conversion is not required. The same as we can do the addition for float and double like this. click the run button. See, it has the integer, float and double total value in respective strings. We can interpolate special characters also in this string. Let Unicode string equal to /u f8ff code development by biology and /u 2705. Print the Unicode string. Click the run button. See, it is showing the apple and tick symbol in our string. For raw string, let raw string equal to hash double quotes the channel name / hash open and close bracket within this channel name and double quotes hash. Print the raw string and click the run button. Now it is loaded the string value in the raw string. This is about the string interpolation. We have already seen this logic several times, so I hope you understood it. The sixth topic is access strings. We can access the position of a string value using the string.index. Let's access the channel name characters. Let first letter equal to channel name of channel name dot start index. This will load the starting index value in the string, which is A. Print the first letter. Click the run button. See, it has the letter A, which is the first letter of channel name. The string has the methods to load the string after and before index value. Let second letter equal to channel name of channel name dot index of after channel name dot start index. This will load the starting index, and this is for after the starting index, which is second letter B in the channel name. Print the second letter. Click the run button. See, it has the letter B, which is the second letter of channel name. The same like index of before method will work like this. Let last letter equal to channel name of channel name dot index of before channel name dot end index. This will load the end index, which is not exactly pointing the last letter. So we are using before to point this to the last letter, which is D in the channel name. Print the last letter. Click the run button. See, it has the letter D, which is the last letter of channel name. The end index will throw the error for out of bounds. Let's try this in the example. Let out of bound error 1 equal to channel name of channel name dot end index. Let out of bound error 2 equal to channel name of channel name dot index of after channel name dot end index. This both will throw the out of bound error only. Click the run button. See the fatal error for out of bounds. Let's comment the error on and click the run button. See the same fatal error out of bounds. Instead of this, we can directly point to the character using the offset. Let index equal to channel name dot index, channel name dot start index, offset by 2, which is the third letter. Let third letter equal to channel name of index. Print the third letter. Click the run button. See, it has the letter C, which is the third letter in the channel name. I hope you understood it. We can loop through the string using the indices. For index in channel name dot indices, print the channel name of the index. Click the run button. See, it is printing all the characters in the channel name string. This is about the access strings. The seventh topic is modify strings. Using the index, we can insert and remove a character in the string, where welcome equal to hi there, welcome dot insert, comma, at welcome dot end index. Here the end index will point after the e, so the comma will add after it. Print the property and click the run button. See, in the end, the comma inserted. Not only single letter, we can insert a set of characters which is string, also like welcome dot insert contents of welcome to ABCD at welcome dot end index. We already have hi there in the welcome string. Now it will have the hi there welcome to ABCD. Print the property and click the run button. See, it has the full string. This is about insert in string. Now let's see the removal of string. Welcome dot remove at welcome dot index of before welcome dot end index. Here we are trying to remove exclamatory in the welcome string. So end index will point after the symbol, but here we need to point out the exclamatory symbol. That's why we are using the index before method. You got it right? This will remove the exclamatory symbol in the welcome string. Print the property. Click the run button. See, the symbol got removed now. We can directly remove a particular character also. Index equal to welcome dot index of welcome dot start index, offset by 22, welcome dot remove at index. Print the property and click the run button. See, the B has been removed and it is hi there welcome to ACD. we can remove set of characters also, like let range equal to welcome.index of welcome.startIndex offset by 2 double dot less than welcome.endIndex. Welcome dot remove sub range of range. Here it will remove the range starting from 2 until the end. Print the property and click the run button. See, it has only hi. This is about removing in string. Let's see the conclusion of the session. We have seen string interpolation, access strings, and modify strings. In part 4, we will cover substrings and string comparison. So stay tuned. This is all about the strings and characters in Shift part 3. Please know it before using it. I hope you guys understood and enjoyed the session. Thank you. Bye bye. And see you in the next video.